Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. This morning we'll be taking a look at a 2011 Kenworth. She's been refurbed and she's in beautiful condition, folks. As you can see, a beautiful bumper alignment on this unit. Freshly painted in phenomenal shape. We're going to toss open the hood here. We're going to hop in, fire it up for you, do a full walk around tour of this unit. As you can see, engine condition is in great condition. 262,000 original miles. This T300 is in phenomenal shape. You can see the door panels are in phenomenal shape. The inside of this unit is gorgeous. As we climb in here, folks, we'll let it cycle through. As you can see, this has a PX8 300 with a 3000 RDS automatic transmission, Dana Splicer DSP41 axle with a 5.29 axle ratio. This is a 52,000 gross weight vehicle. We're going to let it run through its cycle. As you can see, some of the amenities here. We got an engine brake, cruise control, air conditioning, AM, FM, CD radio. This unit does have power window to the passenger window for convenience for the driver. Crank window on the driver's side, power locks. As you can see, she's in beautiful condition. Diff lock on this unit also. We're gonna hop out, let you listen to the engine run. We're going to shut her down here, folks, for you. Do a walk around tour. As you can see, this truck is in beautiful shape. 225 steel rim, chrome tips, phenomenal front steer tire tread. As you can see, brake condition 80% or better on the front. As we come around to the passenger side here, we'll take a look at that side for you also. 225 steel rim, chrome tip, beautiful condition on the tires, excellent brake condition on this unit. This unit has been completely and fully serviced, ready to come work for you. As you can see, this Kenworth is a beautiful unit. Nice, beautiful aluminum 100-gallon tank for you. This is a DEF system. Excellent condition this unit is. As you can see, we get back to the spring ride tandem here, and you can see 225. Tread condition is good all the way around. As you can see up underneath there, that brake condition, excellent condition, brand new pads on this unit. As we get to the back of the unit here, we'll talk about our Moffett Mounting Kit here, folks. This is a universal kit. It'll carry a Princeton, a Moffett, a Load Mac, and many other brands. This is a 102 wide by 24 foot long diamond plate bed. As you can see, the design of this mounting system will carry many different units. It's set up and ready to come work for you. Heavy, 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 built, ready to come work for you. As I rotate around here, you can see a Moffett in the background. We have hundreds of them available in stock, available for you. We can do a package deal for you on a truck, a trailer, a lift, anything you need, we will have it in stock for you, or we'll build for you if you need it. As we come back to the truck, you can see brand new straps on this unit. Beautiful 225 steel refurbed rims. Excellent tire condition on the driver's side on this unit. This unit also has a buyer's box on it. Brand new. As you can see, this unit's going to be beautiful going down the road for you. As we come to the front of the truck here, I just want to thank you for your time. This is Equipment Remarketing. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Thank you for your time. Give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you.